Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, folks. Tell you what, tonight we're just having a little fun for dinner. It's a weeknight, and I'll tell you what, I don't remember if it was YouTube, Instagram, one of them, a little short video of someone took some Chick-fil-a chicken nuggets and made a pizza out of it. And I said, I've got to try it. So you guessed it, went to Chick-fil-a. We're doing pizza, Chick-fil-a pizza. Let me show you what we're doing. Hey guys, we actually got 3 pizzas going. We're gonna concentrate on this one. These two here will be identical, other than they do have 2 different crusts. I bought a 3rd crust, the Boboli, today because I didn't feel like 2 pizzas would be enough for all of us. So I just, out of safety, I just bought a 3rd one. But either way, these 2 are gonna be done identically, so we're gonna concentrate on this one. Just got some Chick-fil-a sauce. We're just gonna go right on here as our sauce. If we need more, we'll add it. Smells good already. I'm not gonna go real heavy with that. Guys, I don't know how much is too much. We're going right in here with just our chicken nuggets. I'll just do this whole box. This is a 12-piece Chick-fil-a nugget box. It's gonna be perfect. Actually, I should have put our cheese on the bottom. That's a mistake on my part. Alright, let's fix this real quick. We're gonna fix this. What's this? There we go. Problem solved. Alright guys, here's where it gets interesting. We got some French fries here. Come on, admit it, you know you love the waffle fries. We're gonna fill in some gaps here with this. What could go wrong? Check that out. Of course, we're just gonna top this with just a little bit more cheese. We'll be ready to get in the oven. Hey guys, we're gonna place these in the oven at 450 for, I don't know, roughly 10-12 minutes until it's ready, till it's done. Alright guys, let's see how we did. Get over there. Okay, let's come in here. I don't know if there's a good way to cut this, but we're gonna figure it out. It looks delicious, but is it? Chick-fil-a, how can it not be delicious? This other pizza. Grab that piece right there. Would you look at that? Looks delicious. Let's give this thing a try. Alright guys. Give this a shot. My first taste. Chick-fil-a pizza. That's pretty darn good. What do y'all think? Good? Alright. We're getting approvals. I had no doubt it would be. I was scared I put too much sauce on there.
This is good.
Guys? Yeah. Chick-fil-a pizza. I seen another video that had mac and cheese on there. I wasn't gonna do that, it just didn't sound good. But there's other options out there. This is just the Chick-fil-A waffle fries, Chick-fil-A sauce, and the Chick-fil-A chicken nuggets with some mozzarella cheese. Mix it up, play with it, have fun with it, guys. I'm gonna finish this. Guys, thank you so much. Wash that down. Thank you so much, as always. Having a blast doing these videos. The weather's kind of been a little crazy. It's pitch black outside right now, so I'm not going outside. But as always, we'll get these going again here real soon. I know I've kind of been hit and miss lately, so it's okay. It's gonna be a good year. And guys, thank you as always. We will see you on the next video, folks. God bless ya. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.